Hi, I'm Keith Cotter and welcome to the HSB Academy tutorial session. In today's session we're going to learn about locking item containers. What's the advantage? Well, when you frame a wall, floor and roof and you've made some adaptations or modifications, you now want to protect that particular wall, floor and roof element from possibly being reframed and maybe potentially losing any adaptations that you've done. Or even furthermore, you don't want the construction removed anymore from it. So essentially you're stating that this is the finished product of your framed element. So this is where we use item container lock, and there's also the possibility to unlock it as well. So let's jump in, let's take a look and see how we do this. So now we proceed to the item container drop down, and I'm now getting an option to lock item containers and select all of my item containers in the model. And what this essentially will allow me to do is lock these item containers, and I'll know this condition because the item container is in a red color now. But furthermore, if I select the item container, you can see in the properties bar it's also indicated. Now if I try and remove the framing, I get a warning message to say it can't be done because the item container is locked in this particular case. So simultaneously I can select an item container and I can also unlock the item container. The result of this is essentially the opposite. So if I now try and remove the framed construction, you'll see one, I can remove it. But furthermore, I can also generate the framed construction and get back a framed result again. So we can have it in either way for the item container. So essentially you've finished framing, you can then lock your item container. I'm Keith Cotter, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in future sessions.